Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Information and Communication Technology class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, page number 13 to 16. Okay. So dear students, look at the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 9. Our today's subject is Information and Communication Technology, that means ICT, term half yearly. Topic chapter number 1, page 13 to 16. This is your lecture number 4. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 4 and your HW number 3. And you will have to do 5 multiple choice questions from this chapter. From today's discussion, and this is my name Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number and my messenger ID. Now let's start our today's discussion. In this lesson, we will learn two important topics: entertainment and ICT, and then digital Bangladesh. On these two topics we will discuss today. At first, entertainment and ICT. With the development of ICT, a new era in the entertainment world has started. It has occurred in two ways. First, how people consume entertainment has fundamentally changed. Second, different media of entertainment have qualitatively changed. That means people's taste of entertainment has been changed. And secondly, different types, the medium of entertainment also has been changed. Now let us see first how individual media consumption habit has transformed in response to the changes in ICT. Once people had to go outside for entertainment. If they wanted to enjoy a film, they had to go to the cinema hall to enjoy a film, to the playground to watch a football match, to a concert to listen to music. But nowadays there is no need to go outside for entertainment. Radio was invented first and then the television. The computer came eventually. The internet is the latest addition to the computer. We have discovered that people can enjoy all kinds of entertainment within the four walls of their home. When computer first came into being, it was only used for computation and calculation. Only the big organizations and the government could afford computers. That means in the very beginning, when computer was invented, then people used to use it for calculating. But nowadays we can enjoy different types of entertainment programs through computer. However, with the development of technology, computers have become easily available and people have started using them for their personal purposes. Since computers have become more sophisticated with processors, huge storage and considerable memory, they can be used not only for writing or calculation but also for entertainment. Perhaps people use computers mostly for their entertainment. Composing a song, making a movie and editing a paragraph all can be done on computers. Because of the development of ICT, changes have come to the media and forms of entertainment. Since songs can be digitized and converted into MP3 format, they can be played on computers. Similarly, we can watch videos and movies on computers. A huge volume of data can be stored on CD or DVD. Watching movies on DVD players without going to the cinema hall is a very common practice nowadays. Internet with the faster speed has become easily available due to fiber optic network. As a result, people do not have to depend on audio CD or DVD either for listening to music or watching films. On the top of it, programs in different radio and television channels can be directly accessed through the internet. Sometimes recorded programs are also available on the internet. Hence, viewers can access these programs according to their convenience. So we can see that different forms of devices are included in the form of entertainment. Now people can enjoy their entertainments without going outside home. Side by side, people nowadays we can play different types of computer games. The new forms of entertainment have appeared with the development of ICT. Computer games are one of them. Big industries of computer games have been established all over the world, and experts of these industries are innovating computer games of various sorts. The extensive popularity of computer games demonstrates its immense success as a new medium of entertainment. One of the reasons for their success is that computer games entertain people of all ages with their different preferences. These games can be played with others, the computer itself, or even with the gamers in a remote place by network. That means two people are playing games but they are not facing each other, they are sitting before their computer device. In fact, it should be noted here that excessive and compulsive use of computer or video games may become so strong that it can easily turn into an addiction. That's why people around the world are warned about the negative consequences of compulsive computer or video gaming. Development in ICT played a vital role in the emergence of new forms of entertainment. Once making animation or cartoon films was very difficult. It has become easier for ICT and high-end supercomputers. Not only that, innovations done by creative designers have brought about changes to graphic works. Digital actors and actresses have been created on computers for graphic movies that are no longer dependent on real actors and actresses. Use of high-end or supercomputers in creating imaginary dinosaurs and aliens for popular commercially successful films is very common nowadays. In summary, ICT has not only created new forms of entertainment but also made them accessible to the mass. Most importantly, ICT has revolutionized the entertainment industry, and its ultimate future in the entertainment industry is beyond one's imagination. So this is the use of entertainment. This is the use of ICT in the field of entertainment. Now we can enjoy entertainments, different types of entertainments using our technology. Now Digital Bangladesh, this is a very common term nowadays. The present government has undertaken a plan to establish Digital Bangladesh for the first time. Bangladesh conquered its independence through enormous bloodshed in the Liberation War of 1971. We will be celebrating the Golden Jubilee in 2021. That means 50 years of our independence. And that is why we are determined to take our motherland to the highest peak of success. Digital Bangladesh is the means to materialize the vision. The government and the general citizens have taken initiative to materialize the dream. First, we should know what we mean by analog and digital. An analog signal is a kind of continuous and infinitely variable representation of data or information. As an example, we may discuss about the measurement and record of daily temperature. Temperature varies throughout the day, and the temperature inside the home can also be much different than the outside. Representation of any small amount of change in the temperature through a signal may be called an analog signal. However, an analog signal may not always give information with precise accuracy and reliability. Now comes digital signal. A digital signal converts the information into numbers, that means digits, and displays and stores the information in numbers. Hence, it is called the digital system. Since the digital signal indicates the value of the quantity in a digital format, that is, in a numerical form, it gives more accurate information than the analog signal. It is generally quicker and easier to read than the analog one. For example, a watch with a high precision movement of an hour hand, a minute hand, and a second hand gives an analog signal as a measure of time passing. By contrast, a watch with an electronic display of time in numbers gives a digital signal. That means this is the best example. You can easily understand digital and analog system. The watch which has hands, 3 hands, minute, second and hour, is an example of analog signal, and the watch which gives electronic gives digital signals, that means numbers, digital numbers, is the example of digital signal. The phrase digital Bangladesh is not used to indicate Bangladesh as a computer oriented country. Its implication is more extensive. Digital Bangladesh refers to a modern Bangladesh developed with the help of ICT. This is very important. Digital Bangladesh is not the meaning of the fact that Bangladesh will be a computer based country, but it will be a modern and developed ICT developed country. The objectives of digital Bangladesh are to ensure better education and health and more job opportunities and eradication of poverty. Therefore, in order to fulfill these objectives, it is important to bring changes to our old conventional mind setup and be positive and inventive. The fundamental aim underlying digital Bangladesh is to ensure democracy, human rights, transparency, accountability and justice with the maximum utility of technology. The main thrust of the objectives is to improve the standard of living of citizens from all social classes. In order to fulfill the objectives of digital Bangladesh, the government has focused on 4 specific factors: human resource development, participatory citizenship, civil services reformation, and inclusion of technology in everyday life. Bangladesh has started developing information and communication technology late in comparison with other countries. That is why Bangladesh is significantly lagging behind. Even though the significance of ICT was not realized, nowadays ICT is getting proper importance. We are getting a high-speed internet connection as we are connected to the submarine cable. There is a positive side of the extension of technology. If a nation lags behind at a moment in any particular technology, it doesn't mean it will stumble at all the time. It may leapfrog other countries. Bangladesh is trying her level best to be equal with other countries in our use of technology. That means though we have started late in the field of technology, this doesn't mean that we will lag behind for a long time. We will compete with our other competitors. The infrastructure for information technology has started to be constructed in the country by the present government. Setting up the fiber optic connection throughout the country, an initiative is taken to provide the internet service to remote area. The number of telephone users was negligible in the country just to ago 1.5 decades. 1.5 decades means 1 decade equal to 10 years and half equal to 5. That means 15 years ago. But now every adult uses a phone. Information service centers have been opened at the union level. The post offices of the remote areas are transformed into e-centers that provide the service of mobile money transaction. The district information cell and the national information cell with the union information centers are important additions to the infrastructure of the country. The tasks like registration of admission test, Getting the result of public examination and purchasing train tickets are being done regularly on the mobile phone. ICT courses are included in the curriculum of schools and colleges. This textbook is an example of that. That means this textbook, that means the textbook of information and communication technology for the students of class 9 are also included in the curriculum as the result of ICT development. Computer science is being taught in the colleges and universities. The younger generation of the country is joining the software companies along with setting their own firms, and a large number of young people are strengthening the economy of the country through outsourcing. Now we will learn an important topic. 12th May 2008 is a very important day for us because in this day Bangladesh, as 57th state of the world, has launched its own satellite Mahmudur 1 in the space. As a result, we have moved one step ahead to digital Bangladesh. Bangladesh will be benefited in the field of education, health, agriculture, weather forecast and economic advancement by using this satellite. This will be used in satellite-based television services as well as ensuring our national security. For this satellite, it will be easy to spread internet and telecommunication facilities in the remote areas of the country. By using Mahmudur 1 satellite, we will be able to save and earn foreign currency in the information and telecommunication sector. The success stories, however, do not indicate that we have reached our target. We have to walk a long way to achieve the goal, as most of the people of our country live in the villages. The first step to digital Bangladesh is to bring these people to the network of ICT services. So we have to build up large infrastructures. A skilled manpower is required to avail of the opportunity of ICT to the utmost level. So we should develop expertise in this sector. The standard of education of colleges and universities should be enhanced and a good number of students should be skilled in ICT. Transparency should be ensured through e-governance. The new generation should be encouraged to use their innovative power, and a coordination between universities and information and communication technologies must, that we can make a real digital Bangladesh. So this is the discussion for today's class. To make our country a digital Bangladesh, we have to take several steps, as the government already started, has already started to do that. The curriculum, the education curriculum has introduced ICT as one of the major subjects, and we have to bring these modern technologies to the remotest corner of our country. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. You will do 5 multiple choice questions MCQ from this discussion as your homework, and you will submit it on Saturday. So see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.